All right, today we're going to dive into something really cool at the intersection of learning and tech. It's called project-based learning, and it's getting a huge boost from artificial intelligence. We're going to look at how this platform, PREPZR, is using that combo to completely flip the script on how students learn. So let's get into it.
In this quote, it really hits the nail on the head. We're moving away from just, memorizing stuff for a test. The whole game is shifting towards actually using what you know, applying it, which, let's be honest, is what you need in the real world.
So, what does this new way to learn actually look like? Well, at its core, it means we're moving past the old-school textbook model. It's all about project-based learning, where you tackle a big, interesting question or problem over time. You're not just reading, you're investigating and responding.
And here you can see that difference, side by side. On the left, the old way, just reading. It's passive. But the PREPZR way, it's all about action. You build, you explore, you experiment. It's the difference between watching the game from the sidelines and actually being on the field playing. So what's the secret sauce that makes this all possible? Well, at the heart of the PREPZR platform is a really smart AI-powered toolkit. It's designed to be your guide and support system. Let's break down what's inside.
Everything kicks off with these unique project-based learning booklets. And the AI part is pretty cool. It's about how these are created. It allows for this huge variety of projects, all perfectly tailored for different age groups, all the way from kindergarten up to class 10. So the projects are always challenging, but never overwhelming.
And listen, these are not your standard boring workbooks. A real-world challenge for an older kid might be something like designing a mini water filtration system. They'd have to use science, engineering, and even think about the community it's for. This variety is totally key to keeping you hooked.
Okay, so you've got the physical booklet, but you also get a digital sidekick, the AI personal guide. Think of it like a smart assistant that's right there with you, ready to help out whenever you get stuck on your project.
So how does this AI guide actually help? It's way more than just a search bar. If you're stuck building a model, it can give you step-by-step instructions. If you're writing something, it can give you instant feedback, maybe suggesting a better way to phrase a sentence. That's a game changer, getting help right in the moment you need it.
So now let's see how all these pieces, the booklet, the AI guide, actually come together. What does it really feel like to be a student using PREPZR to learn and create something awesome?
The magic that connects the physical booklet in your hands with all the digital tools is a simple QR code. Yep, it's such a clever way to make the whole thing feel seamless and interactive, bridging that gap between hands-on work and digital help. So you're working on your project, you hit a tricky spot, and you scan a QR code. Boom! It might pull up an AI tutorial to walk you through a tough step, or maybe a cool animation that explains a complex idea like photosynthesis, or even a quick video from an expert giving you more context. This map basically lays out the whole journey. It's a super clear 5-step loop. You pick a project, you build it with help from the AI, you scan codes when you need more info, you submit it when you're done, and then you get recognized for your amazing work. It keeps you motivated for the next challenge. And that brings us to a really important part of the whole thing, recognition. This isn't just about getting a project done. It's about celebrating the skills you've learned and the cool stuff you've created. And the skills you develop along the way, these are the skills that really matter for the future. We're talking about problem solving, thinking like a designer, being curious. These are the abilities that are going to be essential no matter what you end up doing in life. The platform also has this really fun reward system built in. You can earn digital certificates, collect achievement badges, and even see where you rank on leaderboards. It's kind of a gamified approach that keeps you motivated and gives you a real sense of accomplishment. This quote, right here, really wraps up the whole idea behind PREPZR. The big goal is to help students go from just being people who consume information to being active, confident creators who can actually solve problems and build things. So, I'll just leave you with this question to think about. In this world that's changing so fast, is the future all about creating a generation of creators, not just learners? It's a pretty powerful